lots of interesting things, like that salt comes in lots of different colors. Red comes in yellow and white, obviously. Yes, I didn't know some stuff about migrating birds, like that they stop to drink and eat. It was very interesting learning about them. Because it's an island in the middle of the Mediterranean, and they can stop to eat or drink and find shelter. I liked all the sessions, but if I had to pick my favorite one, it was a session when we went outside and we planted more trees. But it was fun digging and then planting and watering them. It's because you learn a lot about nature, and it's really fun because you can like text your friends and tell them you can join as well, and your friends are next to you and you really have fun.